Welcome to CSC171, Introductory Python Programming, online. This semester, I will be your instructor. My name is Professor Anita Wright. My office is in the SIM building, but there will be no face-to-face meetings this semester due to COVID. The online office hours will be announced based on the class's voting. There are no formal prerequisites for this course, but an eagerness and determination to learn how to program a computer is certainly helpful. The textbook is an introduction to programming using Python by David Schneider. Here is a picture of the textbook. You will also need the My Programming Lab subscription that accompanies the textbook for practicing the skills online. You will need to download and install the Python programming language with idle. The instructions for this are located in Appendix C of your textbook. The latest version is 3.9. Here is what the download page looks like. If you're using Windows, you will select Download Python 3.9.1, the link right there. If you're using Mac, your computer probably already has Python installed, so check before you bother to download. If you need to download for Linux, use the Linux link. This version of Python comes with IDLE, idle, which is the integrated development environment we will be using. Here are a few tips for acing the course. Follow the plan. Step-by-step instructions are provided. Practice, practice, practice. The more you try things and test things out, the more you will learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or to ask for some help. Programmers make mistakes all the time. We affectionately call these bugs, and we learn by making mistakes and fixing them. So don't be concerned if you find you're making a lot of typing mistakes in the beginning. It will lead to better understanding of the way Python works. Focus on learning as much as you can, and good grades will automatically follow. Think of me as your coach. We are both on the same team. I am committed to you successfully achieving the learning outcomes for the course. Once you get set up, you log in through the MyCCC portal to Canvas. The course is asynchronous, but I'm adding content frequently based on student interactions and questions. So look for announcements and discussions in the open discussion threads that are provided each week. There will also be a few required discussions that you will need to respond to. I encourage you to get your textbook, download idle, and then relax a little bit before the start of the semester. Then post to the Week 1 Introductions discussion forum and add some information about yourself and try to reply to one or two other classmates. Although we are not meeting in a face-to-face fashion, it is nice to get to know one another. After all, we are a community of Python learners. Happy Python coding!